Hello and welcome to this session. Today in the second session of Tableau tips and tricks, we are going to talk about dynamically reorder stacked bars. So let's get straight into it. As usual, we are going to take the sample superstore data and we'll try to understand how it actually works. So first of all, I'll connect to the data set, which is sample superstore. And after that, I have to perform some of the actions. First of all, I'll create a simple chart. I have order date. I have sales for that particular order dates, and let's say I'll put category in the color and select it as a stack bar chart. I'll use my company color. And here you can see that the values are assigned with different colors. Now, what I will do is I'll create an empty set. So I want to create an empty set based on the category which we are using. So basically based on the dimensions which we are using. The dimension which we are using is category. So I'll create a set on category, and as I mentioned, it is an empty set. So when I click on the set, I will not select any of the values. I'll just give this as a name and click OK. The purpose of this is because I want to overwrite in the next steps. So once the empty set is created, I will create one calculated field. Let's say I'll give this name as stacked bar sorting. I'll give a condition if category set, comma. Now I want to give a one big number which is not present in my data set. Let's say some random big number. Then sales. And I hard coded this number. So basically I will make this as a big number where when the dimension member is in the set, any number greater than highest value in the data set will result in the selected dimension member being placed on the bottom of each stack after we apply the sort in the next step. So I click OK. After that, I will go to this category and click on the sort. I want to sort based on the field, and which field we already created this stacked bar sorting. Once that is done, let me go and create a dashboard. I'll give this sheet as a name, maybe dynamic sorting, or I can say dynamic reorder, and here also dynamic reorder. I can hide the title and I'll give this as a dashboard title and give this name as dynamically reorder the stacked bars. Now, as of now, action is pending. I have to apply two actions. I'll go to dashboard. There is an option of action. I'll first select change set values. Here I'll call this category set and remove all values from the set is what I will select. I'll give this name of a set, maybe set action, and click OK. After that, I will create one more action, which is highlight action. And here I'll select it, click on the selected fields, click on the category, and maybe I can give the name highlight action and click OK. Now this is applied. For example, let's say I select blue. You can see that by default it is going down. Let's say after this I'll press Ctrl and select orange. You can see that it is now going to the second highest. So that is how you can dynamically sort or reorder the stack bars. Just by pressing a click, you see that all the values of entire years going down. And finally, I'll add a logo of my company. And that is how sorting is done. So hope this makes sense. We'll see you in the next module and we'll talk about some more tips and tricks. Till then, happy analyzing.